Hello friends, let's make a mutton masala. 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 big size of onion, cinnamon stick, some cumin seeds, some ginger and garlic. Now let's add our mutton inside. So after frying a little bit, now let's add the tomatoes and also add yogurt, some salt to taste, some turmeric powder, red crushed pepper, coriander seed powder, and also add some black pepper. Add half cup of water and now close the pressure cooker and cook for 45 to 50 minutes. So friends, our mutton masala or mutton curry is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Keep smiling. Have a good day.